Some fresh inventory that just came in. We're at Uwharrie RV in Albemarle, North Carolina. This is a 2021 Forest River. It's a Platinum Series Salem FSX. The model number's a 179 DBKX. This is a really nice unit. You got an outdoor kitchen out here. Nice little refrigerator, some storage. It's got a big window in the front, beautiful awning. It's got LED lighting up underneath there. It's got full pass-through storage in the front. Put a lot of lawn chairs, anything you want up there. That's your solar panel. If you want to hook your solar panel, it's all pre-wired. This is an aluminum framed unit with a fiberglass composite. It's got a power tongue jack on the front. This unit weighs about 3,700 pounds, so it can be towed with you know, a Ford Explorer or small sport utility. It's got a 6.5 gallon hot water heater. Walk around the back side here. That's your spare tire, your outdoor shower. It's got windows in both the bunks. And inside, this is a smaller trailer, but it feels like a really big trailer. You have your couch up in the front up here. This is a Murphy bed unit. Check out the collars on this. And this folds into a bed rather easily. Just walk up. We're going to put these cushions down. Going to lift up. This drops down. And in under 10 seconds, you got a full queen size bed there. Your storage up top. And to put it back up, you just simply lift up on the mattress. Lift up. Put your latch in, fold your cushions back up, and there you have it. On the kitchen, it's got a really nice deep sink in it, 2-burner cooktop. That's your microwave. It's your dinette area, which also folds into a bed. And this has got the larger queen bunks in the back here. A lot of storage underneath. Got your air conditioning up top. And this is one of the new Everchill battery refrigerators. It's actually running on battery right now. And it's working as it should. It's ice cold. And inside the bathroom here, we got a really nice stand-up shower. It's got the Dometic toilet. Really nice colors in this. More storage up top there. And there is, by each one of the beds, there's charging ports on both sides. It's your master control panel up there. And this does have the upgraded handle, screen door. And we're located 30 minutes east of Charlotte. It's a very easy drive to get here. We're right on 2427. You can finance this unit for up to 12 years. It's going to give you a very inexpensive payment. If you have any questions, please feel free to call the dealership. My name's Chris, but anybody here can answer anything for you. Thank you for watching and happy camping.